So public awareness programs are organized to avoid these problems which are developed in the environment due to change in the uh, atmosphere or increase in the transport vehicles or due to deforestation, increase in population, industrialization, or exploitation of the natural resources, global warming, depletion of the ozone layer. So to make the people aware before developing any problems, public awareness programs are organized. So we have to make the people aware of various things to avoid the eco problems. Second one, social ethics among the students and common man to maintain and to conserve the environmental features to utilize the various natural resources. So to make the people aware, make the people uh, aware of the social things, um, how to preserve the natural features, how to utilize the natural resources to avoid over exploitation of the natural resources, to avoid air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, or to avoid any natural calamities. So this awareness is necessary. For that, social ethics should be introduced. Then the importance of the environment and environmental features that should be included. That the importance of environment should be uh, included to make the people of the make the people aware of uh, to use the natural resources properly. So quality of the environment can be maintained to avoid the various eco problems. So people should be given the importance. They should understand the importance of the environment and other importance of the natural resources, so that these problems cannot be created. Fourth one is maximum involvement of the people in eco development programs. In development programs, there should be maximum involvement should be there to utilize the natural resources, to preserve the natural resources, to maintain the quality of the environment. Eco development programs should be organized, and the interrelationship between the man and nature, how they both the uh, things which are how the man and nature which are both are correlated, interrelated with each other, how they are dependent with each other, man and nature. So without utilizing these natural resources, man cannot survive. So all the natural resources which are utilized by man or living and non-living things. So these are very necessary, very important. These are the resources which are given by nature, surrounding environment. So both are related to with each other. Therefore, you should understand the quality of the environment, the importance of the environment, social ethics, the various eco problems which are developed. So to make the people aware of various eco problems, importance of the environment, and their involvement in the eco development programs, how they are related with each other. So this is the need of the public awareness. So to make the people aware, government has introduced various projects like EcoCase of public awareness programs. And that includes Silent Valley Project. Uh, this is a project which started in the Kerala state. Then Chipko Andolan in UP state, Uttar Pradesh. Then Save Western Ghat. This is a project of public awareness program which is in Gujarat, Kerala state. Then Water Crisis and Coca-Cola. The project is one of the public awareness program. So these are the some projects to make the people aware of the the importance of the environment, how to manage the various resources, the environmental planning, environmental management. Proper management should be there to maintain the quality, to preserve the natural resources. So public awareness programs or projects that should be introduced. So मतलब need of the public awareness, why it is necessary. Any difficulty in this? Please ask. So this is the introduction of the environmental study. In that we have seen first definition, concept of the environmental study. Hmm. Definition आपण पाहिलं आहे environmental science and or environmental studies. And its multidisciplinary nature of the environmental study. The various studies which is including the environmental studies, various sciences including the environmental science, the importance of the environmental study, and the necessity of public awareness. Its definition given by various researchers like John Turk, Purdon and Anderson, Bernard Nebel. These are the various researchers given which given this definition of the environmental study. The nature of environmental study, how it is comprehensive in nature, interdisciplinary in nature, ever-changing nature, complex in nature, beneficial nature. Study. Scope of the study, it includes understanding nature, use of natural resources, study of the environmental problems, environmental management and planning. Then importance of the environmental study. Need of the public awareness to make the people aware of this aware of various eco problems. So this is the introduction of this environmental study. The second unit is ecosystem that we are going to see. What is ecosystem? The second unit is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? What is the definition of ecosystem? After this, we have seen the definition of environmental study, how it is important, the scope of the environmental study, its nature that we have studied. Now we are going to study the ecosystem. What are the various systems which are included in the environment? So what is ecosystem? Ecosystem which is formed by the community of organisms interacting with their environment. The system which is formed by the community of organisms. The community of organisms or the things which are living things or non-living things. The community of these organisms which exist in nature. So this community of organisms which are interacting with the environment, how they are interdependent, how they are interrelated. The system which is formed by the interaction of the community of the organism and environment. That system is known as ecosystem. How the man and nature environment are which are related. So this is the ecosystem. The system which is formed by the community of organisms interacting with their environment is known as ecosystem. समजलं इकोसिस्टम म्हणजे काय? So this study ecosystem, which includes study of the interrelationships among the living organisms, physico-chemical processes, and human activities in ecological communities, is a science of an ecosystem. Science of ecosystem म्हणजे काय? The study of interrelationships among the living organism. जे living organisms आहेत त्यामध्ये काय interrelationship आहे. The relationship between man and nature and various other environmental features. How they are interdependent. How the physico-chemical process occur. Various processes, physical and chemical processes, human activities in ecological communities. This study or science of these various features, actors, that is known as ecosystem. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Ecosystem. So this is the science of an ecosystem. So all this ecosystem is formed. The living and non-living things interact with each other. The living things and non-living things. So they interact with each other. They are both are related with each other within a particular area. So these things form an ecosystem, living and non-living things, which are dependent on the environment. So this forms a system, the system known as ecosystem. त्यामध्ये environment पण आहे, living and non-living things पण आहे. Both are interacting, which are dependent on each other. The system of environment and living and non-living things, which the ecosystem is formed. This is the ecosystem. समझ लगा? Definition of ecosystem. Any difficulty in this? Please ask. So after this, we have seen ecosystem. In next section, we'll continue this ecosystem. Okay. Everyone give attendance in chat box. Now we'll stop here.